How is 5G technology faster than rest? 5G is enabling new wave of innovation. It has the potential of changing the world, further powering the hottest trends in tech today such as IoT, Internet of Things, AI, artificial intelligence and AR, augmented reality and many more. 5G is not just increasing the speed, it combines new levels of efficiency with higher capacities to send data. 5G communication is rapidly developing to enable a huge number of applications and accommodate many different data types. Let's recap how it was like when it started. 1G Mobile voice calls, 2G Mobile voice calls and SMS, 3G Mobile web browsing, 4G Mobile video consumption and higher data speed, 5G Technology to serve consumers and digitalizations of industries. 5G is very different from what we saw previously. Previous systems had been driven by what could be done with the technology. The new 5G systems has been driven by specific uses and applications. It provides ubiquitous connectivity for applications as diverse as automotive communications, huge video downloads. The reason why 5G can be faster compared to others is because of the use of shorter frequencies for 5G networks. The high band 5G spectrum provides the expected boost not only in speed but also in capacity, low latency and quality. Performance: data rate at least 20 Gbps download link and 10 Gbps upload link per mobile base station. This is a 20-fold increase from the download over LTE. Latency: it offers an extremely low latency rate. The delay between the sending and receiving of information from 200 milliseconds for 4G just in 1 millisecond with 5G. Connection density: at least 1 million connected devices per square kilometer to enable IoT support. Mobility: 0 km/h to 500 km/h high speed vehicular access. Energy efficiency: it spec calls for radio interfaces that are energy efficient when under load, but also drops into a low energy mode when not in use. Spectral efficiency: 30 bits heads downlink and 15 bits heads uplink. 5G system is being developed to improve societies across the globe and it's equipping industries to do many things which they can't think of. This new era of technology and advancement is just getting started. Do you think the 5G can be the next big thing in tech? Do let us know in the comment section.